Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best gaming laptops. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the gaming laptops in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best gaming laptops on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the Acer Nitro 17 gaming laptop. Pros: solid hardware and gaming performance. Rich set of connectivity features. Bundled storage sleeve is super helpful. Cons: so-so speakers. Key specs: CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050. Display: 17.3-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels. IPS display with 165 Hz refresh rate. Memory: 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, 2 USB-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, micro SD card slot, Ethernet. Other: HD webcam. This big screen gaming rig by Acer will treat you to immersive gameplay at a price point that's impossible to resist. Priced just a tad north of $1,000, the Nitro has robust hardware specs, headlined by a powerful AMD processor, up-to-date NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, a full HD display panel with a high refresh rate, and a full-size keyboard with customizable backlighting. The big screen laptop will easily run virtually any game with high levels of detail. Its storage and memory are surprisingly plentiful for the money. The essential bits are also easily upgradable in case your multitasking demands and game library grow down the line. As expected from a big gaming laptop, the Acer Nitro 17 packs a ton of wired and wireless connectivity features. It is surprisingly elegant for its size, and it comes bundled with a storage sleeve that is handy for keeping its unwieldy chassis intact on the go. If you like the product's design but want better specs, consider this $1,400 version with a beefier GeForce RTX 4060 GPU and a sharper screen. For $50 more, this GeForce RTX 4070 toting Nitro 17 is my pick in the range and one of the best laptops $1,500 can buy. Coming at number 4, Razer Blade 16 gaming laptop. Pros: gorgeous and superbly built. Incredible speed and performance. Doubles as a great everyday laptop. Cons: expensive. Key specs: CPU, 13th generation Intel Core, i9-13950HX. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Display: 16-inch UHD+, 2560x1600 pixels. Mini LED IPS display with 240 Hz refresh rate, 3 ms response time, NVIDIA G-Sync. Memory: 32 GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, 2 USB-C ports, 1 with Thunderbolt 4, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, South Dakota card slot. Other: full HD webcam. The Razer Blade 16 gaming laptop is hands down the most beautiful of its kind. Its design is headlined by an impressively thin machined aluminum body with a black anodized finish, plus a stunning mini LED display with slim bezels. It's undeniably expensive, but worth it if you want the best of the best and budget permits. The display panel mentioned above is also incredibly bright and vibrant. It can also switch between UHD plus resolution with best-in-class sharpness at a smooth 120 Hz, or a higher performance mode with less pixel-dense WXGA, but a faster 240 Hz refresh rate. Such functionality puts the notebook in a league of its own. Of course, the Blade 16 matches its striking looks and hardware with outstanding gameplay capabilities. It will have you playing today's hottest AAA games with the highest level of detail. In addition to being an excellent gaming rig, the notebook is also excellent for cranking out work, especially when it comes to graphic design and video editing. Its touchpad is one of the best in the game, and so is its keyboard with customizable chroma lighting. You can snag the Razer Blade 16 in black or mercury finishes. Consider this laptop version with slightly toned-down specs if you like the design, but want to keep your budget below $3,000. On the other hand, this Blade 18 iteration is the Razer laptop to get if you want the biggest and baddest portable gaming rig, and your upgrade budget has no limits. Number 3, Acer Nitro 5 Gaming Laptop. Pros: solid gaming performance for the price, distinctive design, affordable. Cons: could use more USB-C ports. Key specs: CPU, 12th generation Intel Core, i5 12500H, GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050T, display, 15.6-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels, IPS display with 144 Hz refresh rate, memory, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB SSD, connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C port with Thunderbolt 4, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI, Ethernet. Other, HD webcam. Priced below $900 before potential deals and discounts, the Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop is a great option for thrifty buyers because it'll run today's hottest games in 1080p resolution at a smooth frame rate and with plenty of detail. The affordable notebook packs hardware specs that won't wow you, but satisfy your gaming needs. A respectable GPU is crucial for any laptop, including budget-friendly ones, so it's great Acer included it. The same goes for the Nitro's abundant set of future-proof wired and wireless connectivity features. The product's no-nonsense design and solid build are also impressive, especially considering its price category. Weighing below 6 pounds, the Nitro is also reasonably portable for a gaming rig and easy to lug around. It's worth noting that Acer offers a Nitro 5 variant with a slightly less capable GeForce RTX 3050 GPU and 8 GB RAM for less than $800. That said, dropping an extra $100 over this version will make your laptop deliver robust performance longer between upgrades. Coming at number 2, Asus ROG Strix G16 Gaming Laptop. Pros: sleek and eye-catching design, excellent gaming performance, high-quality display. Cons: needs a webcam with higher resolution. Key specs: CPU, Intel Core, i7 13650HX, GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, display, 16-inch FHD+, 1920 x 1200 pixels, IPS display with 165 Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA G-Sync, Dolby Vision. Memory, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB SSD. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, 2 USB-C ports, 1 with Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet. Other, HD camera. By delivering an amalgam of elegant and distinctive design, strong hardware that will bring years of high-quality gameplay, and big-name cred at an amazing price, the Asus ROG Strix G16 is today's most value-packed gaming notebook worth your attention. For less than $1,400, a number close to budget territory in the gaming laptop realm, the notebook offers a gaming and sensory experience that defy it in every way. The first thing that impressed me about the ROG Strix G16 is its design. Its impossibly slim display bezels and a light strip underneath its trackpad and palm rest give it a decidedly premium look that belongs in a higher price tier. So does the device's keyboard with customizable backlighting and transparent space, WR, and ASDF buttons, the most commonly used ones in PC gameplay. Remarkably, the laptop's display panel can deliver uncompromising high-performance gameplay and provide accurate colors to go with support for Dolby Vision enhanced content. I wish the screen had a higher resolution. However, given the product's sticker, this isn't a deal breaker. If you like the design of the Asus ROG Strix G16, but want more graphics and processing power, I have good news. While undeniably pricier, this version of the product has a more powerful Intel Core i9 chip and GeForce RTX 4070 graphics. Number 1. HP Omen Transcend Gaming Laptop. Pros, top-tier hardware and performance. Surprisingly sleek and lightweight. Suitable for everyday use. Cons. Could use more storage. Key specs. CPU, 13th generation Intel Core. i7-13700HX. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Display, 16-inch WQXGA, 2560 x 1600 pixels. IPS display with 240 Hz refresh rate, 3 ms response time, NVIDIA G-Sync. Memory, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB SSD. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1. Other, full HD webcam with privacy shutter. The HP Omen Transcend is the best gaming laptop for most buyers, offering future-proof hardware specs, superb gaming performance, and a surprisingly sleek, nicely understated design. The Omen Transcend weighs less than 5 pounds, a remarkable achievement for a big-screen gaming rig. It's suitable for use on the go, unlike many rivals. Another bit that impressed us about the Omen Transcend is its battery life and fast-charging tech. With up to 8 hours of screen-on time between charges, the notebook is also suitable for daily use that doesn't involve high-powered gameplay. Its bundled charger can bump its battery to 50% after only half an hour. On to performance, the Omen Transcend can power through AAA gaming titles at high resolution and graphics settings. Its display panel has a fast refresh rate and response time, which, combined with NVIDIA G-Sync support, brings fast and fluid gameplay worthy of its price category. The Bang & Olufsen tuned notebook speakers deliver a sonic experience that's a contender for best-in-class and equally suitable for gaming and watching videos. In addition, the Transcend has a fantastic set of connectivity features, both wired and wireless, and a full HD webcam with a privacy shutter. A lower-priced iteration of the notebook with a GeForce RTX 4060 GPU is also available. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best gaming laptops. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.